Hello and welcome to Mumbai Matters. I'm Mansi Fadke, Deputy Editor with The Print, and in this episode of Mumbai Matters, I'm going to talk about a project that has been very delayed and is quite extensive, which is the redevelopment of the Bombay Development Directorate Chawls, or popularly known as BDD Chawls, which stand at some of the prime locations in Mumbai. On Thursday, 14th August, the Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority handed over the first few set of completed houses to the BDD Chawl residents, marking a huge development in this much delayed project and also inspiring confidence among the rest of the residents that this time the project is actually steadily taking shape, it's taking off, and the authority can deliver. Mooted about 25 years ago, the revamp of the century-old BDD Chawls covers 34 hectares. Overall, MHADA has set a target of completing 25% of the project, which is worth 17,085.64 crore by this December, according to officials. The BDD Chawls were set up by the British in 1920 to offer tiny, low-cost houses for mill workers, laborers who work in the docks, and junior government employees. Now, over the years, these houses have become very decrepit, and the cubbyhole 160 square feet houses are proving to be far too tiny for families that have grown since then, making redevelopment a necessity. And while this project was in the works for more than 2 decades, it was only in 2016 that the Maharashtra government finally set the ball rolling by appointing MHADA as the nodal agency to take up the project on an engineering, procurement, and construction model, popularly known as a cash contract. 9 years on, the first set of 556 apartments measuring 500 square feet each were handed over to BDD Chawl residents on 14th August, and work on more is steadily progressing, MHADA officials say. An official with MHADA's Mumbai board said that the authority's biggest challenge in implementing the BDD Chawl project was gaining the trust of the people and making them believe that this time the project is actually taking off. Officials say that as MHADA starts handing over completed houses, it will boost people's confidence that MHADA can actually deliver. MHADA has also built a show flat on the site so that residents can walk around and get a feel of what their freshly redeveloped house of 500 square feet will actually feel like. The BDD Chawls are spread across 4 locations: Worli, Naigaon, which is in Dadar, NM Joshi Marg in Lower Parel, and Shivri, all predominantly Marathi-speaking areas of Mumbai. The Shivri Chawls, however, are not part of the project because they come under the Mumbai Port Trust, which is under the central government. The BDD redevelopment project scope currently includes 121 chawl buildings in Worli, 42 in Naigaon, and 32 at NN Joshi Marg in Lower Parel. Each floor in each chawl building has about 80 tenements that are 160 square feet in size currently. The Worli site is the largest, with 9689 tenants to rehabilitate in total. Of these, 295 are commercial tenants, while 9394 are residential. The cost of the Worli project alone is 11,744.26 crore. Work on 3,888 of these tenements is currently underway, according to information from MHADA. At Naigaon, 3344 tenants need to be rehabilitated, and work on 1940 units is currently underway. The cost of redeveloping the Naigaon Chawl stands at 2902.39 crore rupees. At NM Joshi Marg, there are 2,530 tenants, with work having started on 1280 tenements. MHADA officials say that they are still in the process of completely vacating the chawls and hope that the completion and delivery of tenements will actually push BDD chawl residents to vacate their current premises and make way for MHADA to build newer houses. MHADA officials say that they are still in the process of completely vacating the current houses in BDD chawls, and they hope that as the completion and delivery of houses will actually boost people's confidence in the government and push them to give up their current houses to make way for the redevelopment of the chawls. However, with the BDD redevelopment project having had several false starts, residents are wary of putting their trust in the government and moving out of their current houses to take up transit accommodation, because there is also a feeling that once you move to a transit tenement, there is no saying when you might eventually get your permanent house back and when you might move out of that transit tenement. And there are fears that the transit tenement becomes eventually your permanent house. Over the years, state governments have taken several measures to smoothen out these creases in the BDD redevelopment project. One of the measures taken by the government is to basically offer residents wary of moving to transit tenements the option of getting a rental from the government, like private builders do. Private builders offer existing residents monthly rentals while to vacate the site and to redevelop the existing buildings. Accordingly, for the BDD Chawls project, several residents are being paid a monthly allowance of 25,000 rupees. Officials said that they're also providing them a rental allowance of 11 months at a time. They have had presentations with them where we showed the kind of project that has been planned at the site, the type of construction, amenities, and so on, one official of MHADA said. Moreover, all tenants are being provided with one parking slot per flat. Earlier, the state government had decided to provide one parking slot for every 2 flats put together. By 2022, people eventually started moving out of their houses and cleared the plot for MHADA to start work on some buildings. Overall, officials are hoping that the BDD redevelopment project would be completed by about 2028. According to the tenders, the contractors have been given 8 years to fully implement the Worli project and 7 years for the other two sites, which is Naigaon and NM Joshi Marg. For the Worli Chawls, the 8-year period ends in January 2027. For NM Joshi Marg and Naigaon, the contracts were awarded a little earlier than Worli and in 2017. So as such, the 7-year period had already lapsed in April 2024, post which the contractors of both these projects were granted an extension as the project was slow to initially pick up due to the resistance of people to vacate the site. The deadline now for the Naigaon redevelopment stands at December 2029, whereas for the NM Joshi Marg, the deadline stands at June 2030 officially. That's all I have for you for now. Thank you for watching Mumbai Matters. I'm Mansi Fadke signing off.